Well, guys, welcome back to another video. So today, this is a update video. So I noticed something. So my views are off the charts. Look at that. But the subscribers are down. Look up. Much people are not subscribed. So I'm gonna be doing a little thing for maybe 2 weeks. So I'm gonna see if I don't do commentary. If I don't do commentary, would I get more subscribers? I'm gonna try not doing commentary for one whole week. I mean, like this 1 week versus dislikes. Last 28 days. Alright. So my top video showed these things. Okay. So, 18 to 24. Dang, man. It's 67%. I didn't see this. Melt 100%. So guys, this is an experiment for one whole day. Let's see if I get more subscribers for one whole week without doing commentary. And I'm using YouTube Studio. It tells you everything of your channel and crap like that. So yeah. Hopefully Web Hero could join me in some videos. Cause he's back now. Hopefully. And I will be doing more Roblox. No, not Roblox. What I'm talking about. I don't know what I was about to say to her. So yeah, this experiment. So one whole week I made doing no commentary. So my next video, no commentary. It will be music, but like I make me talking. I will see if I get more subscribers than that than not talking. So I guess you'll just see. So I will be uploading another video right after this. It's gonna be about about Gangsta Vegas. So let's just see if that will work. Okay, so let's just see how this works. Bye, guys.